just a bunch of cleanup. I'm fixing the windshield. So that's it. That's all they had to do is get the low. That's the original windshield that needs cleaning up. And then they had this one over the top of it. This homemade piece of plexiglass that looked awful. Nasty. Yeah, I should have washed it before I started sanding. I didn't want to. Liked it polished, we could polish it.
So are you going to explain to them why that you're
Alright, so I'm using wax and grease. I'm actually using Dupliclub wax and grease remover. Got it at local AutoZone. We have a paint store distribution center here, B&M Distributors, but they are not open at this time, so I had to resort to going to DuPont instead of the wax and grease remover I usually use. So, but it'll be all right for something like this. This ain't got to be show car. I just wanted it cleaned up, so it looked a little better on the boat. We thank my buddy Sonny Gay, that him and his wife Michelle on the carpet shopper. And without their carpet shopper, I would not be able to cover up my window and paint this. Thank you, Sonny and Michelle. Keep them carpet shoppers coming. But it looks better than it did.